Iranian forces responded to US aggression by targeting American military bases in Bahrain, Kuwait, Qatar, Jordan, and even Oman, whose territorial waters with Iran make up the strait. According to Iran's IRNA news agency, drone attacks were continuing on US bases in the region, with Tehran claiming it destroyed an American drone fleet in Bahrain. In a statement, the IRGC said its aerospace forces struck helicopter maintenance facilities, a hangar housing a P-8 aircraft, and a US military drone command and control center. Iranian media also claimed that Tehran also launched destructive drone assaults on US forces in Kuwait, including defense and missile systems, bunkers, and support shelters. Iran's IRGC earlier claimed attacks on Kuwait's Ali Salem and Ahmad al-Jabar bases. The operation involved US fighter aircraft, naval vessels, one-way attack aerial drones, and for the first time, one-way attack sea drones. One person has died and 4 others were injured after a US projectile struck an agriculture water pumping station in Mahashahar in Iran's Khuzestan province early on Sunday, provincial authorities said. According to Iran's state news agency IRNA, the person killed was a security guard at the facility. Air raid sirens were activated across Bahrain, the country's interior ministry said. The alert sounded at dawn Monday in Bahrain, home to the US Navy's 5th Fleet. There was no immediate word on damage. The United States launched a fresh missiles on southern Iran on Sunday. Iranian state media reported explosions in the southern port cities of Bandar Abbas, Sirik, and Jusk, as well as on Qeshm Islands, hours after Washington said it carried out another round of attacks targeting Iranian military assets. The latest strikes follows a day of intense military exchanges. The US military said it struck at least 140 targets across Iran, while Tehran responded with attacks targeting US military bases and facilities in Bahrain, Kuwait, Oman, Qatar, and Jordan. Kuwait said Iranian strikes hit border posts and oil rig, while Qatar reported injuries caused by intercepted projectiles. Oman, Jordan, and the United Arab Emirates also said they detected incoming fire during the weekend. The Strait of Hormuz is at the center of all this. Washington and Tehran have issued conflicting claims over the status of one of the world's busiest oil shipping lanes. US President Donald Trump has insisted that the waterway remain open. Iran, though, maintains the maritime traffic will not be permitted until stability and calm are restored, according to the country's Persian Gulf Strait Authority.